Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, you're not even going to believe this. We have a huge update to our penny list for this week at Dollar General, and I'm going to share all the details with y'all in this video. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now just in case anybody missed it, I have already uploaded a ton of Dollar General videos for you all this week. We have tons of new coupons, tons of glitches. I believe a total of 30 new glitches on our glitch list video. Plus, we have new clearance markdowns with new visuals. And we also have the clearance event coming up, and I've already started uploading those videos as well. So if you've missed anything, make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you right there. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about these updates. Now, I do want to make sure that everybody understands that this is an update video, and I have not included all of the new clearance markdowns and the penny items that we talked about in a previous video. So if you missed part one, make sure that you go back and check it out. Now, for all of my new penny shoppers out there, please keep in mind that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. All you have to do is go into the store starting on Tuesday, August the 1st. Look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set. And if that item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. All right, now there's a couple of things that I want you guys to keep in mind for this list. #1, and this is very important, your miles may vary. What does that mean? It means that these items might be a penny at one store, and they might be full price still at the store 10 miles down the road. So I have included all the UPC codes for these items. That way you guys can go into your Dollar General apps, type in the barcodes, and y'all can check for yourself before you go out to the store tomorrow. All right, #2, in my opinion, tomorrow, surprise pennies are going to be very, very possible. And I was already thinking this back when I received the first memo with those two items on there. I was thinking we're definitely going to have some surprise pennies. So it's going to be important that you make sure that you check back with my YouTube channel, turn on your notifications, all of those things. All right, #3 on this list, we have about 80 different food items that are scheduled to penny out starting tomorrow on Tuesday, August the 1st. Now, especially with food items, I want you guys to be careful and check those expiration dates before you go up to the register. Because anytime we have penny items that have expiration dates, even if it's medicines and things like that, the Dollar General employees do not have to sell you expired penny items. So I want you guys to be aware of that. Even if you don't mind eating something that's a little bit past the expiration dates, the employees, if they spot that, they do not have to sell that to you. All right, now the fourth thing that I wanted to mention is that a lot of these food items have been included in remodels. I know that a lot of these, most of these, were included in one of the remodels that I've been to in the past couple of months. And a lot of those items were either already expired or they were really, really close to their expiration date. So if you have a store in your area and you know that they just recently remodeled and all these items just recently pennied out, I definitely would bypass that store and go on to the next one, because you're probably not going to find these items at a recently remodeled store. All right, now the fifth thing that I wanted to mention is here in just a few seconds, you guys are going to see some Nature Valley granola bars, fruit and nut bars, things like that. We do have digital coupons on our account, which means that if those attach, that's going to give us overages if you are at an old register store. Now, if you're at a new register store or if you go through self-checkout, that digital coupon is just going to make that item completely free. We're only paying a penny anyways, but still free is free, right? Now, the reason why I wanted to mention this to you all is because we should also have digital manufacturer coupons on the coupons.com app, as well as the ShopMem app. Now, I know that the coupons.com app is slowly but surely, they are closing down people's accounts. Mine is still up and going. I'm not quite sure why. I believe their cutoff date was the 17th, but I'm still able to submit receipts on the offers that I already have clipped to my account. So If you guys will check your coupons and your ShopBM apps, go ahead and add all of those offers. And typically with Nature Valley products, we have like 50 cents off of one. Sometimes we get lucky and have 75 cents off of one, or a one-off 2 digital coupon. So just go through there, see what you have available, make sure that you clip them to your account. And if you stumble upon these tomorrow and they are a penny, that's going to make it a little bit of a moneymaker for you. I also wanted to go ahead and mention Ibotta and Fetch Rewards, because we typically have rebates for Nature's Valley products on Ibotta, and then usually we get some extra points back on Nature's Valley on Fetch Rewards. So make sure that you guys check all of your accounts tonight and clip all of those offers, and that way you'll be ready to go for tomorrow. All right, guys, so we have a couple more minutes worth of visuals to look at. Like I said, there are over 80 items set to penny out starting tomorrow on Tuesday, August the 1st. So it should be a really exciting day. We have everything from different drinks. We have energy drinks, apple juice, chips, all kinds of snack foods. And I will say that a lot of these items I found during the remodel, they were on that little short health food section. It's kind of down the middle of some stores. You guys will know what I'm talking about. It's not the real tall shelves. It's the really short shelf, the little short aisle that you can actually see over. I found all of these foods that we're looking at right now during the remodel on that little short shelving unit. And it was actually really interesting. Probably not to the average person, but because we're all about DG here, I was very interested to see how everything worked in a remodel, what the differences were. At one store, they had all of the health foods. At the other remodel, they didn't have any of those health foods. So it was really interesting to see what the differences were. Now, I didn't make out with a huge food haul during those remodels, but I had very specific things that I wanted to get. So I didn't do too bad at all, especially for it being my first and second remodel ever. All right, guys, now we're getting really close to the end of the video now, and I do want to go ahead and point out these So Natural freeze-dried strawberries. Here are the only 2 pictures that I believe I did not get. So look for the same packaging. We have the pear, the strawberries, and the strawberry and banana on those, but it should all be pretty similar packaging. All right, now I do want to hear from you guys down in the comment section below. Are you all excited for this week at Dollar General? And let me know what you're most excited for. Are you most excited for the new clearance markdowns, the penny list? We have 30 new glitches. We have the clearance event coming up, so we have all kinds of exciting things to look forward to. Plus, y'all didn't let me in on this secret. I forgot to check my email last week, and we had a bonus 5 off $25 deal, and your girl missed out on it because I didn't go out shopping Saturday. I was preparing for the clearance event, so I totally missed out on that deal. But if you have a 5 off 25 for this week, hey, that is amazing. Now, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will